Hello everyone! I'm sharing a simple bread recipe you can easily make with a small oven. No mixers or molds needed. We'll need only 4 ingredients. Let's start! In a bowl, weigh 250 grams of bread flour. To that, add 5 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt. Use a little water to dissolve 3 grams or 1 teaspoon of yeast. Add the yeast mixture and the remaining water. The total amount of water is 155 grams. Mix the ingredients together. Now the mixture looks like this. Use your hand to form a dough. Pick up the bits of dough sticking to the bowl by pressing the larger piece against them. You'll get a rough piece of dough. It's a bit sticky and doesn't hold together. We'll be kneading for 5 minutes by folding the outer edge towards the center, then press down with the heel of your hand. Quarter turn the dough and repeat. Use your body weight to push down so that you don't overuse your wrist. Using both hands helps too. The dough is smoother after a minute. Continue to knead until 5 minutes is up. Fold, press, rotate, repeat. Now the dough looks a lot smoother. It doesn't stick, doesn't tear easily, and holds its shape well. Fold the sides of the dough inward to give it a smooth edge. Make it round by doing this. Place your dough back into the bowl. Cover and ferment for 45 minutes. Time's up. Our dough has doubled in size. Dust some flour onto the table. Gently turn out the dough. Move around to make sure it doesn't stick. Fold the dough into half and turn. Keep repeating until the dough feels tight. This helps to improve structure. Turn the smooth side facing up. Cover with dry cloth and rest for 30 minutes. After resting, turn the dough upside down onto the table. Punch down with your knuckles. Roughly roll into a log shape. Stretch out both ends to elongate, then punch down again to flatten. Stretch out both ends and make a letter fold. Remove large air pockets by knocking. Roll up the dough from top to bottom, tightening along the way. Pinch to seal the open end. Pat to break any bubbles on the surface, and shaping is done. Place dough seam side down onto a lined baking tray. Cover with cloth. Final rise for 45 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. will puff up and gain color. This bread is whiter as it has less sugar in it. You can bake longer for a browner crust. Time's up! Place onto a wire rack to cool. Cooked bread is brown on the bottom and sounds hollow. Cover with clean cloth while it's cooling down. The crust will turn soft after it has cooled down completely. Let's take a look at the crumb. It's quite even except for a few large air pockets. So soft and springy. There you have it. Basic white bread you can easily make at home. No oil and no added sugar. No preservatives too. Simple, isn't it? Definitely give this a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time.